In my opinion, consistency comes from 4 directions. I call it the north, south, east, west. So the first one is the consistency in look. That means that the product feels the same across different screens, different interactions. The look of it is the binding factor. You could have different content, you could have different uh, form elements or different interactions, but as long as there is a flow in terms of the colors that are used, the logo, the font, the visual treatment of photography, illustrations, icons, links, buttons, etc., then there is a consistency in look. The next part is a consistency in feel. The product should interact and provide information in similar manner across common features. For example, the way the pages are linked, the way the buttons behave, the way you tell which is a primary button and which is a secondary button. If there is a table, how do you sort or search? Or even to the level of details of how you display numbers, how do you differentiate between currency and dates and all of that, or money. So consistency in feeling and consistency in look are two important parts. The third one is the consistency in voice. What is the voice and tone that's followed in your solution? In a website, it is extremely important. For product, the UX copy, that means what is the label of your buttons, what is the label of your navigation elements, what are the names of the headers of different sections on a page. They should all feel that they all belong to the same family and they have the same tonality. And this will bring in consistency in the voice. It becomes very effective when you're thinking of an end-to-end design. So if the voice and tone is consistent between your UX copy, your manuals, your instructions, your error messages, users will see a lot of commonality. The last one, which is actually very hard to visualize and is less tangible, is the intent. What is the intent in which you are designing the solution? It is generally defined by the UX principles. For example, if you're looking at a financial transaction, trust is the intent. So whatever you do, whatever these interactions, whatever colors we choose, it should enforce trust. Playfulness in a kid's app, the colors, the animation, the whole tone of the menus and the icons will be a lot more playful in comparison to a banking website. Or for example, in a complex software which is used in the enterprise world, the flexibility it has, because it has to cater to so many users, how it caters to the scale, the large number of data set, these help in bringing in the intent. And if you have consistency in that, obviously your users will be able to perceive that, not necessarily in a tangible way, but all the above three, the consistency in look, feel and voice, contribute to achieving this.